Hello, and welcome to the second module in Learning Plan 2, Hands-on Example. Before we begin, let me mention that for any further information and questions regarding the data model, please visit Learning Plan 3, the LSPS data model. Also accompanying this video is a slide presentation with screenshots of everything we will be doing in the video. Okay, let's get started. This is where we begin to shape our project. When we complete the hands-on example, we will have a functional application for a client to register for a system and an employee to approve the registration. The first thing we will add to our module will be a data model. The steps for a hands-on example can be done in any order, but the data model is where we will be getting all of our information, and logically it makes sense to do this first. A data model is the hierarchy of all custom data types or records and their relationships defined in a model. Records are defined in special resource files called data type definitions. One module can contain multiple data type definition files, and they are edited using a graphical data type editor. To create a new data type, right-click the new module that we have created. Select New and Data Type Definition. It will automatically name the new data type, but make sure it says Registration Form.DataTypes. It is a form in our module called Registration Form, and it is of type data types, so that's why it's named as such. Click Finish. We are now going to build our data type. The palette houses all of the tools necessary to build the data type. By hovering your mouse over an icon, a description will be displayed. Add a shared record to the editor by clicking on the shared record icon and then clicking anywhere in the editor. A shared record is a special type of record that is reflected into a data storage and hence provides data persistence on runtime, readings, modification, and deletions of shared record values. They are immediately reflected in the map database entry. We are using a shared record because it allows direct modeling and managing of persistent business data, which is independent from model instances. Select the title bar of the shared record to view and edit its properties. Rename it Registration Data. Now we need to add some information to our new shared record. Right-click inside the shared record and select New Field. There are several different fields we will be adding. Let's start with the prefix. Highlight the new field and in the name, add prefix. As a type, we can either type it in or go to define. The type definition in this case is basic, as it's a string. So select basic, and under type, select string. OK. There are several others to add, so do the same thing. New field, first name, it is of type string. New field, last name, also of type string. Street, of type string. Street number, of type integer. Postcode, of type integer. Other information, of type string. And last, city of type string. Now Control S to save your registration data shared record. Thanks for watching this video on designing the data model. Remember, for more information and answers to questions you may have, visit Learning Plan 3 LSPS Data Model and the LSPS Support Forum.